Here at the Mine Shaft Inn, Rico, Colorado, and I'm here today to demonstrate my self-closing dog door. Now, you know, I noticed this place is reputed to be haunted here at the Mine Shaft Inn, and I've noticed that the doors have a tendency to close themselves anyway, and so I added this spring here to the dog door back in the service area, and this door leads out to a little hallway that goes to the old stable. There's an old mine shaft actually under the old stable where the miners could come straight to the brothel after a hard day's work without going down on the street. Anyway, Huck should be coming through that door in just a minute. Huckleberry the Hostel Hound will be demonstrating the self-closing dog door. And there you have it. Let's do it again. Okay, come in. There you have it. Quite the invention here at the Mine Shaft Inn, Rico, Colorado. Huck! Good work. Good work.